Alright guys, back in here again, working on the car the next morning here. And just from being outside overnight, it's been raining. So check this out. So that's just from one night. Saw the water that splattered up on it and just made it start rusting a little bit. It's kind of crazy. It's hard to keep turbos from rusting. Alright, so got the pipe cut and tacked together here, and then this is the bottom section. Trying to get everything lined up. So what we're going to do, we've got it bolted up here. We're trying to line it up to where we can get this worked in and line these two pieces of pipe up. So we went over to K&C and just got a small section of 3-inch pipe to be able to cut up and put in here and be able to make this work. All right, so we've got the pipe going here now. Got a couple marks, couple tacks in place. So this is our little section of pipe. And now our flange is pretty close. It should all button up together. And we'll have full exhaust. But I'm gonna take this over to Tony again and see if he can finish these welds up for me so I don't screw it up any worse. Just want to give you another shot of the pipe. So the turbo mounts here and then goes back towards the back of the car. So you can see the little section of pipe that we made, and then my little tack welds there. And then this is the other side. So we had to cut it up at the top and refit that, and then put this in there, and Tony should be able to fix that up, but it won't look too bad. If it still looks bad, I may just wrap it from at least here to there. So. Get the pipe back in here, and Tony really helped us out. Got all this stuff, our little piece of pipe in here. Got us an O2, another O2 bung on that side. So right now to get it capped, we'll put the wide band in there. But this is gonna work perfect. That's gonna bolt right up, and then we'll have our pipe in here. So now we'll see what the exhaust sounds like out the back. I think that's going to work perfect. All right, guys, the downpipe is on. Not super pretty, but it is there, and it's hooked up. So now we're going to see what this thing sounds like, and I'm pretty curious to actually hear this thing run now compared to the way it used to sound. So here we go. got rid of all that high-pitched cackle noise, just like I hope it would. And usually these D16 motors, when you turbo them, like it takes out a lot of that high-pitched Honda revving sound and gives it more of an actual performance sound. So I'm pretty happy with the way this thing sounds now. It's pretty awesome. I can't wait to rip on it down the road.